Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Cheryl. So for today's vlog, I just want to show you guys my weekend lifestyle here in the US. But first of all, hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching.
600, a good one.
Hey! I like Viking. Oh my god, guys, this is my first experience driving on the highway. So I was really nervous that time.
Verna,
A
your
little
mom's
bit
driving on the
nervous but
highway.
excited. I am so happy and proud of myself that finally I can drive.
I'm a good driver now. I've been driving like it's 2 hours already.
Yeah.
So this is my second time on the highway. By this time, I am more comfortable driving on the highway, not nervous anymore. So I like driving. That's it. I'm so very thankful to my husband na iya ko gituduan pag-drive. Oh, I'm getting ready to take my test. Hopefully, makapasar ko. Yay! Grabe guys, grabe na ako kalipay. Nakapasar ko sa home driving test. Oh my God! Hello everyone! Di ami karon sa Walmart. Nag-shopping og among mga pagkaon. Karkad, di anak na nakuha sa dahil. Gusto ko og lemon. Here's lemon. Love.
Oh, okay. $25.
What? What's that? This is a new normal, guys. So, kinahanglan magsuot preventive mask bisan asa ka madto. Pero ang ahong bana gahi og ulo. Dili magsuot og mask. Sa mga ni Walmart. Dali-dali ra ni namo na pag-shopping kay mag-work pa si Ja. Oh. Hello. Alas 12 ijang duty. Grabe ni siya kadako na store. What are you looking for?
Flavoring. The flavoring.
I don't remember what is that. A flavoring? Okay. So, yeah. Just like what I have in the house, I have lemonade. Oh, I like strawberry. Ayad na ni guys, kaya mamali na ni.
Welcome. Please scan your phone. Select from list or key in the item's code.
Brushers.
Okay.
That's the same price, I guess.
It's all the same, isn't it? $1.23.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Yeah, it's all $1.23.
You like a lot of candy.
Not out today. I hate cold. I hate heat work.
So, pauli na mi sa balay. Weekend mi sa Walmart. Wala ko ni dyan ipa-drive karon kaya nagdalik siya. Binalian kay Jala. Abot na mi sa balay, guys. So, karon nagluto ko og pork chop. Wow. Lock yan. Well, part sa usa ka asawa ang magluto. So, nagluto ko og pork chop ug ang glad kay ginahan si Jack og pork chop. Ug mao na among late na pamahaw. Mga nasa ni at Sir Sida mo adto sa work. So, mao na iya kaganahan pork. So, mao'y akong giluto karon. Busy kaayo si iyaan. So, hi guys! Tapos na rin nangaon. Karon, it's time. Hugas plato. So, ganahan na ko guys na maghugas o plato. Hand wash. Kay gamay raman duha sa akong bana. So, magamit ra ko og kanang dishwasher o daghan na kayo ang hugason. So, pobre raman tanaanan raman tag hand wash. Dili na magtipid og kuryente kay grabe kada ko ang bayaran sa kuryente dili. So, nagpasalamat kayo ko na nakapasar na ko sa akong driving test. So, it means pwede na ako makadrive og ako ra isa. Pero grabe gajud ang tadhana guys. Imbis kay na makadrive na ko, nagka-problema na hinon ang sakyanan sa humbana. So, huya si Jella ang choice kundi gamito ni Jaga hong car. So, maghuwat na po another week kay amo sang ipaadyo ang ijang car. God. So guys, see you later. Magtapos anay ko og hugas. Bye! And that's the end of our videos for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye-bye!